I've been using the LoFree Flow for a couple of weeks now. Although initially I was very skeptical about the low profile mechanical keyboard. This actually has put the faith back in me that I can live with a low profile one. However, besides the typing feel, it does not offer much. So on Saturday, October 28th, I ordered the new NuPhy Air75 version 2. During the ordering process, much more flexibility is available actually in terms of switches, keycaps, and all that stuff. But looks like they have been selling pretty well, probably because most of those options, or a lot of those options, were already sold out. The tracking showed my package started moving on October 31st, and on November 4th, it was delivered in Dallas. So came directly from China. That's actually super fast shipping. Let's open the package. So I picked the iconic white with Gateron Brown 2.0 and also a set of Coast Dawn PBT keycaps with a 10% off coupon and $23.38 shipping. The total was $152.99, which was the exact same price on Amazon for the LoFree, but before taxes, also after a 10% off coupon. So this thing is more expensive, clearly. Here it says product model Air75 version 2, switch option brown 2.0. Packaging is actually much more professional looking than the LoFree. LoFree did not have any such information on the package. Let's open it. Oh, that looks nice. I believe this is a set of stickers and a poster with some shortcuts inside its own cover. That's nice. Here's the keyboard. What else is included? USB-A to USB-C cable with a ferrite choke, branded cable. That's nice. A keycap and switch puller, which is also branded. Nice. And 2 more boxes. Okay, there's also a plastic cover on top of the keycap. This thing is branded too. So by default, the keycaps are MAC. It has a physical switch for selecting wired versus wireless, Windows and Mac. Again, the same color scheme around the USB-C ports. And this box has extra switches and 2.4 GHz receiver. Even the boxes are labeled clearly, so that's amazing. I've never seen that in any other keyboards. So 4 extra switches, except for the Gatoron. So that is also, you know, they're taking some care into packaging this, right? Because the brown is already in the keyboard. Wow, that looks like the 2.4 gigahertz USB dongle. It's also branded. See, the USB, the tab inside the USB is also got their color scheme. And this got a casing too. And I believe this thing attaches to the USB cable, if I'm not mistaken. Let's try that. Yes, I was right. So lots of goodies included with the NuPhy. The LoFree had none. So here are the extra keycaps. Different color for enter and escape. You can, you know, swap them out. And then the Windows keys. Let's compare the thickness of the keycaps between the LoFree and the NuPhy. So 1.32 millimeters for the LoFree keycap, 1.43 for the NuPhy keycap. So the NuPhy keycaps are a little bit thicker. The slider is in off position. No, it's not working even in wired mode, just like I believe the LoFree. So we need to switch it to wired. Okay. So default out of the box, this is what it looks like. The LoFree, by the way, has the highest brightness for the backlight right now. I believe function up arrow increases the brightness for the NuPhy. Whoa, wow. I prefer the look of the NuPhy. We'll do some typing tests next for the sound and feel. Now for the LoFree. Both the LoFree Flow 84 and the NuPhy Air75 version 2 are great keyboards. But I'm already leaning towards the NuPhy Air75 version 2. What do you think? Which one would you pick? The LoFree or the NuPhy? Let me know in the comments section, please. Thank you.